So I'm here in Jakarta with Amelia. Hi.
Hi.
And this is satay, which is like my favorite thing in Indonesia.
Yes.
Food, that is. I'm not talking about anything
You
else.
really like satay.
Food. As far as food is concerned,
Yeah.
that's my favorite thing. And we just bought some. I feel like it's missing the sauce, right? Or it's in there.
This one.
I see it. It's in here.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So, proper satay has a kind of peanutty sauce. It tastes like peanut. Now, I knew somebody here in Indonesia who'd never eaten peanut butter and was afraid to eat peanut butter. And I say, why are you afraid to eat peanut butter? Because satay has peanut sauce.
Yes.
And then they were still terrified to eat
Yes.
peanut butter. And I think it's so strange.
No.
The
But
issue,
I think good combination, you know.
but now the issue is that there's this the satay sauce, but I'm filming, so I have to try to open this with one hand. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Wait, I think I have it. All right, so I'm just gonna put this phone in an awkward angle while I open this, so you can look at the ceiling for a moment. Ta-da! Open. Here we are. This is the satay sauce. Pretty much like, as soon as somebody thinks to bring this to the West, they're gonna make a lot of money. Like I predict in the future, you know, everybody goes out for Chinese food. Someday people will be going out for satay. Because right now, like I've never seen this in America. But it's such a, basic thing. You know, you got skewered chicken with a peanut sauce. But it's way better than even that sounds. It's like shish kebabs, but it's better. All right. Here we go. Something like this. And we'll find out live if this is any good. It could be bad satay, it could be good satay. Let's find out.
Let's try.
I think I'm blocking the camera with my... okay. It's good satay, but the satay we had last night was better.
Oh,
This is good, but it's funny because this costs twice as much, but the one last night was better.
really?
Yeah, but this is still good, but alas.
Not like last night.
Yeah. Well, nonetheless, there you go. That's the lowdown on satay from Gado Gado Boplo, Ali Makanan Tradicional. Here on, I have no idea what street. All right. That's satay in Indonesia. Check it out. If you are ever in Indonesia, it's one of the must things to try out. I'll catch you guys next time.